Hello everyone, this is MSP Knowledge Encyclopedia, and now in this particular video we are going to discuss how to checkmate anyone in just 3 steps. So let's start. Now let's see this. This is a chessboard which have well arranged pieces. Now here the first line is of pawns and bishops, king, queen, knight. So just you have to play the game as I am telling you. So if you want to win the chess match in just 3 steps, so just put your pawn or the pawn in the front of king. Just move it 1 step or 2 steps. So then second step is just move your queen. No, it's a chance of this. So in many cases the opponent want to make their castle. So by this they in the terms of making their castle, they will move their pawn, which is just in the left side. So if they do this, you have to put your queen here, and then they will don't think that you are going to checkmate him, so he will play it normally. So in order to maintain or in order to make their castle, he will just put his horse here or here. So if you put it here, just put your bishop here, and then here's you can see if he done a mistake and he choose to kill your bishop, but in order by this he put his pawn 1 step forward to kill your bishop. Don't be afraid, just put your queen here. So in the front of the bishop, a black bishop, you have to put your queen and the match is over. So yes, it is all about the opponent's match is over and you won. So as you can see here, he doesn't move anyone and he doesn't be alive. In the next step, you have to kill the king. He can't move, it's a checkmate. So here we learn how to crack the game or how to finish the game in less than 1 minute by these 3 steps. So if opponent done this in your side, so if the opponent want to finish the game in just 3 steps for you, for example, if the opponent used this step for you, if the opponent used these 3 steps for you, which means he followed these 3 steps in the front of you to kill your king. So how will you become or how will you prevent your king from this step? So to prevent this, you just have to for example, I am telling you that let's suppose your team or your side is black side, and I am your opponent. So I am using this method, and for example, you are going to make a castle. Simply I done here and here. So it is here, and now if he done these steps, he followed these steps, and we know that the last step is left he will complete his step in just next chance. So two steps were gone and one step is left. So how will you prevent your king? So it's a simple step is just put your horse here. By this, what will happen when you want to kill your bishop, or when you want to kill or complete his third step? So you have an opportunity to kill the queen by this, or when he came here and when you want to kill it with your, just put your horse here, and when he want to kill this bishop with this, you can done, and you can kill the bishop by the horse or knight. And some of you were thinking that why the queen doesn't kill the knight. So because of this, because the queen doesn't support of anyone, that's why it is failed. So you can fail this step with these steps. So if your opponent choose these three steps to kill your king or kill your game, so just put your horse here. Then if you kill your bishop, you have to kill his queen. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and for these types of more videos like how to complete and how to win a match in just 7 steps and 15 steps and so on, please like and subscribe and share to your friends.